Very good morning, students. Today we will study about corrected mean. Corrected mean means it is used when sometimes what happens, the data is being collected. But after the calculation of mean, we come to know that the data is one or two data which we have taken is wrong. For example, we have taken the data of 10 students for their height. Later on, after the calculation of mean, we come to know that the height which we have taken 174 centimeters, it was actually 177 centimeters. Or for example, your percentages are taken, that is also an average. And later on, it come to know that 2 marks have been increased. So in that case, it is known as the questions of corrected mean. What we do here, x bar is our mean, and summation x means the value which were given us earlier before the correction. That summation we will take. For example, the height of 10 students, 178 centimeter, 174 centimeter, 160 centimeter, 140 centimeters. So we will add all that, we will get the summation x, but that summation x will be wrong. So wrong summation x we will take. In that wrong summation x, we will add correct value. Suppose the correct value was 179 instead of 177. So plus 179 minus 177. So we have added the correct one and we have removed the wrong one. Whole divided by n. N is the number of observation. Understood? So that is how we read the formula. Now see, I am reading one question. The question I am not writing here. I am reading, just listen carefully. Mean marks obtained by 100 students are estimated to be 80. The average marks of 100 students are 80. So the average marks of 100 students is what? 80. So average means mean. So x bar is 80. The marks are of 100 students. So the 100 student will become n equal to 100. Later on, it is found that one value was read as 86 instead of 26. So one value was read as 86. So the wrong value is 86 and the correct value is 26. Understood? Now we have got the mean marks of 100 students, means n equal to 100 is 80. So mean marks are 80, therefore x bar is 80. Wrong value was read as 86 instead of 26. So 26 will become correct value. Now we know the formula of mean. What is the formula for mean? For single data, in x bar equal to summation x upon n. X bar equal to summation x upon n. Here we have got sub x bar. X bar is 80. Summation x we don't know. And n is 100. So that 100 will go here. So x bar summation x will become 8000. This 8000 is wrong 8000. Now all the values we have to put here. Summation x, which is wrong one. Okay, we have to calculate the corrected mean. So here this x bar will remain as x bar only. This will not be 80 now. That 80 we have used here. Now we are correcting the mean. So wrong summation x is 8000. Okay, plus correct value means plus 26. Minus wrong value means 86. So in 8000, from 8000 we will minus 86. It will become how much? 7914. In 7914 what we will add? 26. So the 7914 mein 7920, 7940. It will become, the value will become 7940 divided by 100 students. So the corrected mean is 79.4 instead of 80. Our corrected mean is 79.4 instead of 80. Understood? That is how corrected mean is calculated. Now this is only for your information, this question. We will take another question. Now next question. See, mean of weekly pocket money is of 40 students is 265. Okay, so the average of weekly pocket money of 40 students is 265. So average is 265. So X bar is 265. Of 40 students means n equal to 40. But in calculation, one value was read as 150 instead of 115. So the wrong value is 150. Correct value is 115. We have to find the correct mean. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, समेशन x निकालेंगे. समेशन x रॉन्ग वाला वो कैसे निकलेगा, n into x bar. Our n is 40, x bar is 265. Now you see, we have taken 40 into 265, it is coming 10600. What is this? This is the multiplication of given mean and number of students, plus correct value minus wrong value, divided by 40. 40 is the n. So 10600 minus 150, it will become 10450 plus 115. So 10565 divided by 40. So the corrected mean will be 264.125. I hope you understood. That is how we correct the given mean. Thank you.